Parambir wants, 1 Tuhin, the news flow with the broadcast rundown detailed software login activity, which will allow him 24/7 access to the newsroom and all stories written and being written in the Republic Media Network. 1. I operate as a channel under license from the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting now. And that is the nodal ministry for all such matters. I believe enough is enough. The center has to intervene in this matter. The Ministry of Information and Broadcasting cannot just watch. It has to intervene and stop this man. Secondly, Parambir wants to know which editorial members were specifically on the news desk in a specific time band, which means he wants to know which journalists operate the channel at which points of time. He wants to know the details of shift in charges and how the editorial decision making happens. This is the most desperate and roving fishing expedition. After 180 hours of interrogation, he knows the cost of our toilet paper as well as our bulletproof jackets. There have been incredible number of Section 91 notices, and there are fake stories of a Hansa research connection. He wants to know also the man-to-man marking of roles and responsibilities of every journalist in Republic, their phone numbers, their addresses, their accreditations. He wants to know how they operate, right? When to start this channel, I have already taken clearances from the INB Ministry, the Wireless Planning and Cooperation, the Department of Space, Ministry of Home Affairs, and the Network Operation and Control Center. I am a legitimate news operation. I now want to know on what basis is Parambir demanding access of our newsroom software and our journalistic process. I want to know who can justify it. Tuhin, you can debate this with Nishant.
I have no words to describe my shock at the gross illegality which is being enacted against Republic Media and against independent warriors like Savio. Now, to demand this kind of unconditional editorial access is akin to a media house demanding unconditional investigative access from police, which is simply not done. Which shows that what is being done, the police has clearly exceeded its mandate, and therefore, I think this needs to be answered by the Home Minister of Maharashtra. Has the police exceeded its mandate of its own volition, or is there absolute state backing to it? Secondly, Arnab, today if I level a charge against you, let's say I level a charge against you that you've stolen my car. Now, if I can't prove that charge, that doesn't mean that next I level the same charge against all your relatives, 100 relatives of yours.
Now, in this case, what has happened is, Tuhin, sorry to intervene, in this case, what did the man start with on the 8th? He said there is a TRP scam. 1, he has not been able to prove anything. On the other hand, we have been able to prove that he's coercing witnesses. At every stage, he's being caught. Right? He's asking us why we do business with French media companies. Well, we do because we're a #1 channel.